Hey guys, today I am filming my next update in my Rolling Project 10 Pan Sample Edition series. I have decided that I am going to do this again next year, the same rolling style, except I'll start in January and not in February like I did last year. I'm going to start by talking about the items that I have used up. So I did use up my foil packet shampoo and conditioner. This is the Oribe Signature Shampoo and Conditioner. I know this is a very expensive hair care line. It does have a very, very nice scent to it. This didn't make my hair too greasy, but you guys know I just can't really use very moisturizing shampoos because I have very greasy roots naturally. It was fine, but not something I would repurchase. I will be shocked if I ever try a foil packet shampoo and conditioner and think it's worth purchasing. I did also use up the It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask, which I was using as a deep conditioner. This smells amazing. I think all the It's a 10 hair care products smell great. This did do a great job of deeply moisturizing my hair. I did really enjoy this, but again, my L'Oreal conditioner works just as well, so I will not repurchase this, but this was a great size and I really enjoyed using that. Then for skincare products, I was able to finish up the Clinique Pep Start 2-in-1 Exfoliating Cleanser. Justin has been helping me work through my cleansers, which is fine with me because I have so many I need to work through, and I've got some full sizes, so everything else I'm just using on my own, but Justin has been helping me with my cleanser. And I told you guys in my last update, I had this, and then I had the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Scrub, and this actually is a scrub, so I just set the Dr. Brandt to the side and focused on this one because this is older. So when it says an exfoliating cleanser, it really is just like an exfoliator. It has those like fine sandy particles. It isn't too rough, but it definitely does feel like it's exfoliating the skin. My skin did feel really nice and clean afterwards. It's not something that I would necessarily repurchase because I do have other scrubs that I like a little bit more, but this was a nice product. And then I had some serums. So for the daytime, I was using the Murad Acne Control Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment. This was fine. Honestly, when I got this sample, I thought it was a spot treatment. It is not. It is, I believe, a serum. The description was kind of confusing, but based on the reviews, people were using this as a serum, and I think it was okay, but I didn't notice it doing anything, so I wouldn't repurchase it. I also was using the Caudalie Vino Pure serum as well, but that was just a little too mattifying for my skin right now, so I decided to put that one to the side and I started using something else, which I will show you, but I'll start using that one again more towards the springtime. And then the nighttime serum I was using is the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum. I had gotten this little mini in a sample pack. This does have a dropper, but it does not work well at all in this little sample packaging. It's something about the way that this is packaged, I believe. And this is a nice light white color, and it has an intense pink shift. It doesn't look white on the skin. It does show up with that pink shift. This always balled up on my skin, and other products didn't go on nicely over top of it. I don't know if this does anything at all for your skin except leaves that pink tint, so this is not something that I would repurchase. I always am a little weird about when makeup brands try to do skincare products. I'm just like, ugh, do you really know what you're doing with skincare or not? Some people enjoy this, but for me, it did absolutely nothing, so I would not repurchase that. Then for moisturizer, for the daytime, I was using the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This was okay. I was expecting to really enjoy this because people rave about this. For me, it is just a moisturizer. I wouldn't even really consider using this as a primer. I didn't love the coconut scent. It did hydrate nicely. My skin felt smooth, but like, no, I would not buy that. And then we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, which is very hydrating. This was a good nighttime moisturizer, but again, not something that I would really see myself repurchasing. It was just okay. Then I did use up a couple foil samples because, as you can see, I am late on this update. So for daytime, I was using this Korres Greek Yogurt Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This one, I think, felt more like a priming moisturizer than the First Aid Beauty. This did have a really nice consistency. It hydrated well. It had a really good scent. So this is something I like. Again, I wouldn't repurchase. And then at night, I was using the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Refreshing and Refining Moisturizer. Again, I feel like this did give a great amount of hydration for the nighttime. I'm not that picky about nighttime moisturizers, which is why I don't feel like I need to buy a really expensive one. So it was good. Wouldn't go out of my way to repurchase that. Then, you guys won't believe it, I finally finished the Fresh Rose face mask. So after last update, I decided that I was going to keep this in my shower because I knew I wasn't going to reach for it otherwise. Because the thing is, I want to have clean skin when I'm putting it on, and I want really to have like no makeup on, put this on, and then get in the shower, do all my shower stuff, and wash this off my face. So I decided that I would just keep it in the shower, and so I take off my makeup, I wash my face, then I put the mask on, and then I, you know, wash my hair, wash my body, do all those other things, and then I wash it off. It's been working really well for me, so I was able to use it all completely. I didn't notice a single thing from this mask, so no, I would not repurchase this, but I'm really happy that I used it up because it's old, and I'm gonna try to do that with my other mask. Not all masks might work well in the shower with a steam and whatnot, but I'm going to give it a shot so that I can actually try to work through them. And then I was able to finish up all of my perfume samples, which is great. So this is Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. I did really enjoy this one. It is a nice fruity floral scent, but I do like the original Daisy better. And as I told you guys before, the Marc Jacobs Daisy fragrances are an eau de toilette, so they don't last the longest on me, so I wouldn't repurchase it, but I do really like it. And then I used up Guerlain Mon Guerlain. I do have a Scentbird size of this. It's a fragrance I really enjoy for the winter time or for more of a sexy date night fragrance. And then I did have this little baby bottle that my mom and sister had gotten me overseas. It says it is called Etoile. I have no idea the brand, the scent, but it was a really nice, light, fresh scent. I would love to buy this if I could. I think it's so nice. It reminds me of Marc Jacobs Daisy, but it lasts a little longer on me. And this is supposed to be like a pure perfume. Really love this one. So happy I finally used it because I've had this for a couple years. So it feels great to have all of my perfume samples used up. So those are all of the things that I have finished, and now I will show you the new items I'm adding in as well as the items that I am still working on from last month. The first item is super random. I got this in an Ulta freebie bag, and I'm thinking that maybe I will do a little first impression of this with Justin on my Instagram stories just to see what the heck this is. It's very weird, and then I'll review it for you guys. This is the Gold Collagen Hyaluronic Acid Barrage Oil Multivitamin Multi-Mineral Supplement. It is some liquid that you drink. 25 calories. It's supposed to give you collagen. Recommended dose, drink 1 bottle per day. Takes 3 weeks to stimulate skin hydration, 6 weeks for skin smoothness, and 9 weeks for skin firmness. You're supposed to drink one of these every single day for 9 weeks to get firm skin. I don't know how much these cost, but I can already guarantee you that's a ripoff. This is a glass bottle too. That's not necessary. I think that probably adds to the cost. Then for my hair care products, I'm actually not going to use a foil packet shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to use up these travel products I've had in my toiletry bag all year. I went to use these up so I can start using some new things. So this is a shampoo and conditioner line. This is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. This is the fortifying shampoo. I am right here. So I do have a good bit of this left. It might last me more than the month, but we'll see. And then I can't see how much I have left in the conditioner, but I can tell you it is significantly less than I have in the shampoos. I will finish that first most likely, but I would like to just focus on that to get those used up. My other hair care product I've been using for a little while now. This is the It's a 10 Potion 10 Miracle Styling Potion. I do put this in my hair when it is wet after I comb it out. It smells really nice. Again, like I said, I think that It's a 10 products smell great. I don't really notice this doing anything for my hair, but it's not doing anything negative, so I might as well use it because maybe it's doing something for my hair that I'm just not seeing. So then for my body products, no perfumes this month, but I am still working on the Clarins Moisture Rich Body Lotion with shea butter for dry skin. This should be finished up next month. I've been using this on my hands after I take a shower, and I've mostly actually this month been taking a shower in the morning because I've just been too lazy to do it at night, and I don't want to put lotion on my hands and then have to go do all these other things. So that's why I haven't used this up yet, but this does moisturize really nicely. It has a very light scent, so I am enjoying this. So hopefully that will be used up next month. So then moving on to the skincare products. I had told you guys last month that I thought I was mostly going to have foil packets, but I ended up having quite a few deluxe size samples, but some foils as well. The first item I have is a rollover from last month. This is a Kate Sommerville Cold Cream. It is a moisturizing cleanser and makeup remover. I've been using this in the shower to remove my face makeup. A little bit of this is used up, but not a ton. I don't like this at all. I'm trying to work through it. It is very moisturizing, which feels weird. It feels like you're putting lotion on your face in the shower to remove your makeup, but I've never used a cold cream before, so it's kind of odd. It will take me a while to get through that. Then for my cleanser, I'm using the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. This is a 1/2 ounce size. My sister had one of these as well. She really enjoyed it, so I am going to try this out and hopefully I will enjoy it just as well. And if Justin is helping me use this, I should be able to get through it quickly, but if I end up really loving this, I'll probably tell him to use something else, you know? Because he's like an over user of product and I'm an under user of product, as we know. So then for my serum, I actually didn't pull one out for night, so I'll probably just use this one day and night. This is the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum Collagen Booster. This is just a little deluxe size. This is in their old packaging, which leads me to believe maybe this is older. So I know that vitamin C doesn't last for a really long time, so I'm just gonna use this morning and night, unless that's not good for your skin. Let me know. I literally know nothing about skincare. Then for moisturizer, I am going to be using some foil samples. So I have got 3 samples of the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, which is their moisturizer for oily skin. So I'm going to be using this during the day. Then I have 2 foil samples, but they're larger, of the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, which I'll be using as my nighttime moisturizer. So I would like to try to use up some of the foil samples that I have before I start the new year with some deluxe size samples. Then we do have my eye cream, which I forgot to mention last month for some reason. This is the Caudalie Premier Crew Eye Cream. I'm all the way down at the bottom. I'm barely getting anything out. So this will be done in just a couple of uses. So after that, I'm going to use this foil sample, which lasts forever, of eye cream, of the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream, which I've tried before and loved. And then I'll be working on another mask, which is a little older, so I'm excited about this as well. I actually got this last Christmas time. This is the Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. So I'll be using this in the shower. Hopefully that works fine. And this isn't huge, it's only 0.24 ounces. And then the last thing is random, but it is a sample that I would like to use up. This is from Bite Beauty. It is the Agave Lip Balm and the Agave Sugar Lip Scrub. So that will be cool to try out. I've tried the lip balm before, but not the scrub, so we'll see what I think of that. So those are all of the products I'm going to be working on this month. So I would love to know your thoughts on any of the products that I mentioned here. As I always tell you, I know nothing about skincare, so I always appreciate your guidance on that. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.